Welcome to this sacred space of healing. This is your time, a moment to pause, breathe, and return to yourself. You've been carrying so much, feeling deeply, moving through life with quiet strength. But now, it's time to let go. To clear what no longer belongs. To make space for peace, light, and energy to flow freely once again. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, somewhere safe, calm, and undisturbed. Gently close your eyes and allow your breath to settle. Take a slow, deep inhale and a long, steady exhale. Let the next breath be even softer, even fuller. As you breathe, begin to sense the gentle weight of your body resting on the earth. Feel gravity holding you, supporting you, reminding you that you do not need to carry everything alone. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw unclench. Let your belly soften. Let the earth hold what you no longer need. You are safe. You are supported. You are ready to release. Bring your attention to your breath. No need to change it, just notice it. With every inhale, invite in light and stillness. With every exhale, allow your body to release, unwind, and soften. Now imagine roots growing from the base of your spine and the soles of your feet. These roots move down, deep into the earth, weaving through soil, stone, and crystal. Deeper still, until they connect with the heart of the earth, a center of ancient, pulsing energy. Feel the earth sending up warm, golden light through your roots, into your legs, up your spine, and into your heart. This energy is grounding, nourishing, steady. It knows how to hold space for transformation. Let it support you now. Breathe into your body. Feel the breath move like a wave from your feet to your crown. And now, let us begin to clear your energy field. Bring your awareness just outside the surface of your skin. This is your aura, your energetic body. It surrounds you like a subtle field of light, sensitive to your thoughts, emotions, and environment. Sometimes, when we feel heavy or overwhelmed, it's because energy has become stuck or stagnant in this field. So now, imagine a soft, luminous light above your head. It could be golden, silver, violet, or any color that feels healing to you. This is source light, divine energy that is here to help you cleanse and release. With your next inhale, imagine this light pouring down through the crown of your head, like a waterfall of radiance. It flows around your entire body, front, back, sides, above and below, washing through your aura like warm, cleansing rain. Anywhere there is heavy energy, see the light gently loosening and lifting it away. No force, just flow. The light knows where to go. It knows what to release. Old emotions, past pain, other people's energy, outdated beliefs, tension you forgot you were carrying. Breathe it all out. Let the light rinse your entire aura, layer by layer. Feel your field getting clearer, lighter, softer. You are being cleansed. You are being restored. You are remembering who you are. Now, we'll move through your chakras, the 7 main energy centers of your body, releasing what's stuck and inviting in healing. First, root chakra, base of spine. Breathe into your root. This is your foundation, your sense of safety, survival, belonging. Imagine a deep red light glowing here. Where do you feel unstable, fearful, or disconnected? Now let the earth send a beam of red healing light upward into your root. Feel it strengthening you, clearing fear, releasing ancestral burdens. Affirm, I am grounded. I am safe. Inhale, receive stability. Exhale, release fear. Second, sacral chakra, below the navel. breathe into your sacral center. This is your seat of creativity, emotion, pleasure. Visualize a glowing orange light swirling in this area. Where have you held sadness, shame, or emotional pain? Let warm, orange energy flow in, gently softening old wounds. Affirm, I feel. I flow. I allow myself to feel joy. Inhale, awaken your emotions. Exhale, release repression. Third, solar plexus chakra, upper abdomen. Breathe into your solar plexus. This is your willpower, confidence, and personal power. See a bright yellow sun radiating in your core. What has dimmed your light? Where have you given away your power? Let the golden sun grow brighter, burning away doubt and self-criticism. Affirm, I am strong. I am worthy. I trust myself. Inhale, claim your power. Exhale, release limitation. Fourth, heart chakra, center of chest. Breathe into your heart, the sacred space of love, compassion, and connection. Visualize a vibrant green or soft pink light in your chest. Where have you held heartbreak, grief, or walls? Let the green light expand, soothing every crack with forgiveness and softness. Affirm, I am love. I am open. I am healing. Inhale, let love in. Exhale, release heartache. Fifth, throat chakra, base of the throat. Breathe into your throat, the center of expression and truth. Imagine a sky blue light spinning here. What truths have you silenced? What feelings were never spoken? Let this blue light open your voice, clearing old words, judgments, and fear of expression. Affirm, I speak clearly. I express myself freely. Inhale, free your voice. Exhale, release silence. Sixth, third eye chakra, between the brows. Breathe into your third eye. This is your intuition, vision, and inner knowing. See a deep indigo light glowing here. Where have you doubted yourself or blocked your inner vision? Let the indigo light clear confusion, awaken clarity, and open your inner sight. Affirm, I trust my intuition. I see with clarity. Inhale, deepen your vision. Exhale, release mental clutter. Seventh, crown chakra, top of the head. Breathe into your crown, the portal to your highest self and the divine. Visualize a radiant violet or white light at the top of your head. Where have you felt disconnected, hopeless, or lost? Let this light flood your crown, connecting you to divine guidance, to universal love, to the infinite. Affirm, I am connected. I am light. I am one with all. Inhale, receive divine energy. Exhale, surrender the illusion of separation. Now, see your entire body glowing with clean, vibrant energy, red to violet, earth to sky. Your aura sparkles, clear and renewed. Your chakras are balanced, spinning freely, open yet protected. Take a deep, full breath in. Hold it gently. And exhale with a sound, a sigh, a hum, a release. Let every part of you know, it is done. I am free. I am whole. Feel a soft golden cocoon forming around you, sealing in your healing, your light, your truth. You are protected. You are supported. You are loved. Bask in this stillness for a few more moments. Rest in the silence. Feel the peace of being clear. Feel the lightness of being you. When you're ready, begin to return to your physical body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Gently roll your shoulders. Feel your breath in your chest, the ground beneath you. the room around you. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Bring your hands to your heart and whisper to yourself, "Thank you, body. Thank you, spirit. Thank you, life." You are cleared. You are realigned. You are ready for what comes next, with peace in your soul and light in your aura. You have done powerful work today. You have cleared what no longer serves you. You have made space for light, love, and renewal. Carry this clarity with you, and return to this practice whenever your soul needs cleansing and support. You are light. You are energy. You are free. Subscribe for the next healing meditation.